Hello everyone, I am Gubain. I am fortunate to be a part of Excel Public School. Our chairman, Professor M.H. Dhananjaya, and our secretary, Mr. D. Sudanwa, set high benchmark for us and give us the necessary support and freedom. Our correspondent, Mr. H.M. Prashant, and principal, Mr. Matthew K.G., contribute effectively to bring their vision into action. If I have to talk about the school life at Excel Public School, it is about the way a child is nurtured at EPS. If we look at Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we take care of safety needs, love and belonging, and esteem needs. Now, how do we do this? A child who comes to Excel Public School comes with a lot of questions, doubts, worries, anxieties. This child is put to ease through our interactive and fun-filled classrooms. Very approachable and caring teachers, they appreciate questions, they encourage reflections, they promote conversations, and they help the children to reflect. And this will empower the students to become responsible individuals. Now, one of the defining features of our classrooms, especially in the foundational stage, is the importance given to play. The play, the activity that happens in the classroom, it is both learner-directed and teacher-directed. This develops focus, self-esteem, independence, and also self-regulation. And as they play, they face failure, they take risk, and a lot of trial and error happens in that process. Another aspect is from the very early age, we give the children the freedom to express whatever they wish to. And there is no pressure to perform. The individuality of the child is very much taken care of. And each child attains mastery at his or her own pace in the given area. When we talk about the collaborative and cooperative learning environment that we see here, as they go to the higher classes, the students get ample opportunities to participate in school events, classroom discussions, group activities, then inter-school events, international programs, projects. In this, every child would invariably get a chance to participate. Through this, the fear of failure, the fear of facing people are addressed effectively and organically. Another thing is the students get opportunities to plan programs and execute it efficiently. Through this, their confidence and interpersonal skills developed. Now, how do we do this? They get into interactions, discussions and dialogue with peers, teachers, mentors, even external mentors and professionals. Through this process, they develop conflict resolution and negotiation skills. Also, we demonstrate the courage to say no when the answer is not yes. Children may be a little uncomfortable then, but this empowers them to be morally and ethically upright. Another aspect which I would like to stress upon, the importance of treating every individual with respect, irrespective of their age and status. We adults demonstrate it through our actions. It is equity and fairness that nurture every individual to grow into a respectful being. Transparency and openness is another important facet of our school environment, which our students experience day in and day out. This helps them to seek help, which you all agree is the most important aspect of a healthy living, which they may even practice or they have to practice even after they leave the school. School life is the formative years of a person's life. Every child who comes to school with a unique nature and with the beliefs and value system of a home. The role of a school, let alone Excel Public School, is to nurture them into intellectually sharp, socially responsible and emotionally balanced individual who will be able to adapt to situations and are able to develop a positive behavior to face the demands and challenges of life.